Hi, hello everyone, welcome to ProBuild YouTube channel. In today's video we will be seeing how to model this 3D part, and we have some 2D representations of it. This front, top, and as you all can see, this is the section plus side view as well. So possibly we need to start the design from front view. So this front view would mean a lot, and 3/4 of the model would be complete if you start with this front view. So I'm going to start with new and choose MMNS part solid absolute method. Now I'm going to choose the front plane as my basic reference. So go to extrude option, make to 3D, 2D view. Now you can see that this both circles are offsetted at a distance of 61, and this two circle is very tangent to this line and circle as well, and one is you can find as R12 and another as R28 respectively. So I'm going to start with some references. So let me draw a center line. So these are all my basic references. So let me put here 28. I will explain why. And this overall dimension is 61. Now this 61 is actually from this horizontal plane to offset distance as 61, and this 28, which means 16 plus actually this radius is 12, so 16 plus 12 is 28. So I have offsetted this line to 28. Now I'm going to draw my circle. I'm going to draw two circles. So one is of 12 into 12 24, and another 28 into 2 56 dia. Now I need to draw my bigger circle in contact with this, just before without making contact I shall make this to 90, and I need to make this tangent. So click the circle and click the second one, it becomes contact. Now I need to go up with the line, so I'm drawing line and completing this profile, and this will be 16. Obviously this is fixed. Now I need to draw my center circle, which is 58 in dia. So I shall draw in tangent with this. So click on tangent, select both circles, it becomes tangent. Okay, now I need to cross check with my dimension. Okay, this is fine. Now I need to delete the unwanted segments. So I'm starting with this, I'm deleting the unwanted lines. Sorry, yes, these are all the unwanted lines. Okay, so I shall select all the sketch here, go for 2D mirror against this plane. Now this overall dimension is constrained to 172. So I'm going for dimension once again, touch the both ends and make to 172. And now my part is ready. I'm going for symmetric, and it is extruded to 70 actually. So my part is almost ready. Now I need to do 3 operations. Now I'm going to take a slot, so for which I'm going to select this surface as my reference and go for 2D sketch. Now change this to hidden line, and I'm going to choose this plane as a reference. Now I need to draw two circles of radius r and offset it at a distance 32. Same radius. Since this is r6, I shall go for 12 dimension, and distance between this and this is going to be 32. Then I need to go over the center line for making this both circles symmetric. Touch the 2 points and touch the center line for making it symmetric. Now the center to center distance between the circle is 130, for which I'm going to make this as half of it. 130 by 2 is 65. Sorry. Now this is half of 130, so I shall go for line tangent for interconnecting the circles. Now I am going to delete this unwanted segment. So my slot is ready. So I shall cut this. So I want to choose up to surface, select the bottom surface, go for remove material. So my one slot is ready. So with this slot as my reference, I am going to take this as 3D mirror. With this center plane as my second reference, I am going to make it 3D mirror. Almost my part is ready. Now I am going to make center spear hole with this cut, slot like cut. For that, first I shall complete this spear, and this spear is 106 from my horizontal line. So I shall choose this plane, front plane, go for extrude, go for revolve and go to 2D sketch. Now I'm going to change this plane, take this reference, draw a center line, and the distance between this horizontal and this center line is going to be 106. And from this I'm going to draw a circle of radius 28, 82. Now I'm going to bisect this line and draw a 3D center line for making it revolve. Just make this R28 strong dimension, click OK, and this material has to be removed, so I'm removing it. So you can see this, this is the material that is actually needed. Now I'm going to make a slot, for which I'm going to select this right plane and go for extrude. Change this once again to hidden line. Now I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 15, which is offsetted 61 from horizontal line. So first let me make some references. Okay, just before making reference, I want to draw a center line, and this is offsetted at 61. Now draw a circle of diameter 15, and the offset distance is 8, this line. No, so I'm going to draw a center line, draw a line, this distance is going to be 4, select, go for 2D mirror, join this line and get this unwanted segments deleted. Now it's through all, so let me click OK. We'll see how far it works. Okay, I need to extend somewhat. go for a line. Okay, this is better, this is much better. Make this strong dimension. Go for symmetric. Remove material and okay. So my part is ready, and now my final touches with a round. So you can find this is R4 all over the edges. So I'm going to select edge, give it as 4 radius, and now the part is ready. Now I'm going to change the material, go for appearances and choose the material you are in need of. Go for part, double click. So you can go for some reflections. This is the material that I has obtained. And thank you. Subscribe for my channel for future videos.